A slab leak is one of the most serious plumbing issues a homeowner can face. It occurs when the water lines running beneath your home's concrete foundation break or crack. Because these leaks are buried underground, they often go unnoticed until significant damage is done. Knowing the subtle warning signs can save you thousands in repairs. The first clue is often auditory. If you hear the sound of running water, like a faint hissing or splashing, when all your faucets and appliances are turned off, pay attention. This sound often travels through the pipes and echoes in the walls, indicating that water is escaping from a pipe somewhere beneath your feet. Keep a close eye on your utility bill. If your water usage spikes dramatically without a change in your household habits, like filling a pool or having guests, it's a strong indicator of a continuous leak. A slab leak runs 24/7, wasting a massive amount of water very quickly. This sign is specific to hot water lines. If a hot water pipe bursts under the slab, heat will transfer through the concrete and into your flooring. Walk around your home barefoot. If you find a specific spot on the floor that feels noticeably warm or hot to the touch, or if your pets constantly sleep in one specific spot, you likely have a hot water slab leak. As water accumulates under the foundation, it eventually wicks upward. Look for damp spots on carpets that never dry, warped or cupping hardwood floorboards, or the smell of mildew coming from the flooring. In severe cases, the pressure from the leaking water can even cause the foundation to shift, leading to cracks in your walls or baseboards. If you suspect a leak, perform a simple test. Turn off every water source inside and outside your home. Then, go check your water meter. If the triangular flow indicator or the dial is still moving, even slightly, water is leaving your system somewhere. If you see no visible leaks in the house or yard, it is highly likely under the slab. A slab leak is not a DIY fix. It requires specialized electronic listening equipment to pinpoint the exact location of the break without tearing up your entire floor. If you suspect a leak under your home, contact the experts at Black Mountain Plumbing immediately for non-invasive leak detection and repair. Visit blackmountainplumbing.com or call today.